heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I would create a heart-changing love. I'll take yours and believe it all. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we would be best friends. Love will never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you, trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish, we would run away, making love all day, have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd give you my whole life. Can you be my wife? Make it right this time. If I had one wish, 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 one
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like he's no item, please don't like him, he don't wife him, he more nice him. I never listen though, I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal, but it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it, 'cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Damn baby, my mind's blown, be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby I'm grown, and my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wanna be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed.
the fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you hit the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all rode in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good, game home. Sorry, they say.
Alright, you guys, so here is the final look. I'm sorry I wasn't able to give you guys a really good look of how I did my layers because my phone kept running out of storage. So I didn't get to show you guys really detailed how I did my layers, but it was super easy. I just grabbed the hair and cut downward. And yeah, guys, I just bumped the ends and here we have it. I cut it right here and I really like it. I don't think my layers are that good on this side, so I'm gonna have to go in and cut them a little bit more. But guys, I think this is really cute. It's giving me 90s realness. I absolutely love how this hair turned out. It turned out super, super cute. So if you guys want to get this look with this 99J hair from Bgmgirl hair, go ahead and check out the description box because I will have the links to the wig and a coupon code. If I have one, it'll be up on the screen too. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.